guys, welcome to us to Global Cosmetic and Skincare Nigeria. If today is your first time coming here, I said subscribe. Don't forget to like and also click on the notification button for you to get new of our information, right? And a quick one, for those of you who wants to really do a skincare whitening, I told you that I've got a lot of magic for you. Now, for instance, I used to tell you guys that yes, there are injections that we need to take for total whitening. So these are the injections I was telling you about. These are the IV solution you can use. This one is named as Larascobine, and honestly, a lot of people they be using a lot of whitening and they don't know how it works. Yes, you don't even know how it works. It's not, you can't just, they just say, oh, glutathione, so you use one glutathione, it just, no. Now look at this Larascobine, it's being combined with some other injections also for you to see effectiveness of this injection. Are you getting it? Yes, this one it has collagen also. Yes, it has collagen. So with you taking this and in combination of this Nitro Skin, this is Nitro Skin. Alright? This is Nitro Skin. With you taking this and about two other more, that is a total cocktail. Are you getting it? So when you have a cocktail of all this, about 4 being mixed together, and you take, man, you want to go into total whitening, be prepared. Don't say, oh, I just took this one, it took this one, it took, and they are quite expensive. They are quite expensive. If you're really ready to go along this with me, contact me. The reason why I'm telling you this, don't say because you saw it, oh, this is, you named the name Nitro Skin, that's all. So you go buy some Nitro Skin. No, my dear, it has the way they take it. You want this to work, you're going to combine about 4 injections together. 4 injections. And not injecting to them to your, no. You have to take them as IV, as a drip. Trust me. And if you trust me, and if you want to do this, contact me. Contact me. Don't say, oh, like he can give us secret. No. I decided to bring out 2 only. This is one like this. You know, see? This is the Nitro Skin. And this is the Larascobine. Alright? It doesn't mean because you see, you've seen the KC, meaning the carton, meaning you know how to use it. No. Please, I'm begging you. If you really want to go into whitening business, contact me. Contact me on injections, on IV, on any of them. There are a lot more that you will use them. In place of 1 month, you see result. 2 months, you see excess result. 3 months, you boom. You want to get white without using cream. Come on, contact me. I'm showing you again, contact me. Again, contact me. These are injections. They are not just babies. These are not babies. I'm showing you. You see? These are orders from customers, right? All the way, customers. The way they are, so yes, she don't joke with her skin, and she got this. Are you getting it? I don't want to say much about it by telling you, if you want to know about that, contact me. Are you getting it? For those of you using glutathione, no. It must work, it must work, but there must be combination and some do and don'ts. I told you. Do's and don'ts. I told you. Just imagine some people using all these things going, and they are smokers. Some are they drink a lot of alcohols and all that. No, if you want to get all this form, you must first of all, detoxify the body first. Are you getting it? And let's use the perfect stuff, the perfect solution. That is why I give you this one, this Larascobine, and also I'm giving you this neutral skin. All right. So a customer just placed order, and I said, let me use this opportunity to tell you, to show you again. So don't forget, we ship everywhere. We ship worldwide. We ship everywhere. When I mean everywhere, is everywhere. So for those of you who want to get skincare, organic recipe, want to buy like cosmetic, you can always contact me. So stay tuned. Stay tuned.